I would like to say that the match is still open, but it is certainly now hugely favouring the local team. Fantastic home support, and the team has delivered almost. Still, the finishing touches have to be given. And to take you through the most exciting moments of this final match here in Hyderabad, it's going to be the dynamic duo of Sabah Karim and Sanjay Banga.
Well, where do you generate all this energy, Charu? Even at your age, with two sons who are past their teenage years, and absolutely enthusiastic attitude, really appreciated. Well, cruising along our Telugu Warriors. The partnership now worth 55 of 28 balls. But the way Charan Teja and Raghu have applied themselves, it's really commendable. They've paced the innings pretty well. Gone after the bowling when the opportunity has arisen. And have given no chance so far for the Bulldozers to come back in the game.
Mature cricket, sensible cricket by both these players. Partnership 55. Now they need only 28 to win from 34 deliveries. When these two came together, Telugu Warriors were struggling. They lost 2 or 3 wickets in quick intervals, and they needed somebody to steady the innings, and that's what both Raghu and Teja have done. Teja has played some superb shots, ably supported by Raghu. So they don't need to do anything different here. They need to just play along like this and get close to the target and take it home easily. Drives well, drives safe. All get a single.
But Bulldozers also seem to be handicapped by the absence of Dhruv and Bhaskar to an extent, because they were unable to bowl in this innings. Oh, that's a big one. Hitting it nice and straight. Well, the fielder had a chance to get under it, but it is going all the way for Telugu Warriors. The luck is on their side.
Missed opportunity here for Bulldozers. They had stationed the fielder at long on. Unfortunately for him, he came in too hard and the ball went over his head. A desperate leap in the end which eludes the fielder, and it goes to the fence.
Another lusty blow to long on. 8 runs coming from the 15th over. It's 127 for 4.
Inng2 after 15 overs. Last 5 overs remaining. 21 runs required for the Bulldozers to win the match.